Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a woman's shoes, lipstick and bag. At first, I draw a woman's shoes. Trying to draw and paint with me. Now I'm drawing a lipstick like this. Lipstick can make you more beautiful. Finally, I'm drawing a woman bag. Amazing! Good job! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Red. I start with red color. Yellow. Blue. Orange. Pink. I'm going to paint with different colors. I use purple. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Green. Awesome. Red. Light blue. Look, they are so colorful. See you on the next video.